train is preparing to depart. Do not attempt to board if the gates are closed. Please stand back behind the yellow lines until the train is clear of the station.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome aboard the White Mountain Central Railroad on another beautiful New Hampshire day. My name is Logan, and I'm your conductor. Our engineer, Russ, has just informed me that we're all fueled up, so I'll give him the eyeball sign and we'll be on our way. I do have a couple favors to ask of you. First of all, please do not sit on the red hand railings on the sides of the cars, and also, please do not throw anything or anyone from the train. I also must warn you that once we head over our covered bridge, we'll be entering Wolfman's territory, where anything can happen, so you might want to hold on to your loved ones. On second thought, you may not, and that part is entirely up to you. Mr. Engineer, when you're ready. If you look to your left, you'll see the Anaconda Escape, our sensational rock slide. You can go down fully clothed because you will be in wrath. You will get a little wet on your way down, but it should be refreshing after that exhausting hike up the stairs. And over the right, you can see the water blaster boats and the old Bear Mountain Climbing Tower. All three of these attractions I just mentioned are included with your admission ticket. The wonderful people who work at our segment park, which is also included with your admission ticket. There's also an extended ride that goes through the woods where you can meet the Wolfman face to face. Though that will cost you a little extra. You can at least ride here and say that you've got a chance to try out a Segway. And right behind it, you can see the location of Tuttle's Shooting Gallery, where you can compete with your friends to see who can get the higher score. Other than here, we have our we do use wood in our steam powered climax. However, today we're running our General Electric diesel engine. And we'll soon be heading over the Howe Truss Covered Bridge. It was built in 1904 in East Montpelier, Vermont for the Barry and Chelsea Railroad. The Clark family purchased it in 1960, and they spent the next 4 years taking it apart, numbering each piece, and putting it back together here on the south side of the river. And they used the Lynn half-track truck to pull it into place. Now, this bridge is 120 feet long and weighs about 200 tons. And on top of this, it can support an additional 200 tons. As long as no one over 150 pounds, we should be safe. Now, legend has it that if you make a wish and then hold your breath all the way through a covered bridge, that wish just might come true.
with a trainload of killers trespassing on my land. Oh yeah, keep it up, kid. Keep staring. It's people like you that made me fail anger management. That dude, John Wayne himself, wouldn't even dare to cross this line. And you, turn that tub around or pick a color, black or blue. Ah. I thought I told you and the rest of these two-bit, city-slicking scoundrels to turn it around and go home! You're all out here endangering your lives. Even the chipmunks out here are meat-eaters. Gonna leave, huh? Here, have some beans. You don't like beans? What about chicks? Chicks. They're lunatics. Just like me. Hey, every time for a name phone later, you little pipsqueak.
Like you got one too many tick bites. Oh, this is nice. You should walk
the bottom of the line. Eat the toenail food. You silly ass son of a... I might smell like this, though. You know, the way with your soft
You
spot.
gotta be strong, you little goat. You gotta really get him angry so he chases us. I don't know, they like us to antagonize. Jeffrey, this is the one time you've been antagonized and not here to stop it.
You come out of here with your bell and your whistle. I can't even hear myself complain. You people are more irritating than poison ivy and mosquito bites at the same time. You, the greatest of all time? Yeah, probably. What are you clowns looking at? Nothing new.
Yell at him on TV and then drive back. I don't know, in retirement I might do that. I might I think I'm gonna go fly.
That's it.
That's garbage.
You don't leave what I had tonight. You've all earned yourself a one-way trip to the bottom of the river. I'm your rocket. I'm a loose cannon. Ah! You really clever bootlickers need to make like a tree and get out of here.
Shooting competition, and then there's gold mining. You want to do all that next? So let's do the bear, because that's at 11, and then let's go, then we can go to the gold mine and we can go shooting. Sound like fun? Alright.
Looks like we made it back
Yeah, but
safely
we can
this
walk
time.
out and see them.
Told you we could ride bikes.
Go
Looks like you asked that everyone
I
would
just
take
get
a seat
scream
and
at
wait
him in
for
his face. Scream, you little goat.
Late stop. Stand, step off the train. Like we think everyone's
Or you can
joining
just
us
swim in the
today.
water.
Like, set foot around. See you next time.
See if you can get more with kindness.